Alright guys, let's do another crypto update. In the last video, I said it will come down and do a retest, which is what it's doing right now. You can see right there. I think it's going to not, I think that's it. I think we're going to start moving up now. And the reason I think that if you look at the 4-hour chart, you can see right here that you have a reversal candle right here, a vector candle that is pushing the price up. And they usually do that when they're stopping the drop, the bleeding. Okay, so you see it's coming down here. They reversed it there. And now they reversed it here as well. You can see the yellow candle right there. So I believe now we're going to see is starting to trend upward and make newer highs. Now, is it going to be all-time highs? I don't know. I really don't know. Either it's over, but my concern was if it dropped below this trend line. This trend line has been going on for a while now, since October, I think 2023. So anyways, if it goes below here, I'm concerning, but it's still within the structure as long as it doesn't go below like 70,000. If it's go below 70,000, it's definitely over. We're already in the bear market, but then the price has dropped almost, 40% anyway, so who cares? But anyways, the point is this. Right now, we're retesting this line right here. They're taking out these longs, and I believe this is it. We're going to see some movement up. Hopefully, I believe we get one blow off top. Like, it's going to just blast through 126,000. But we're going to have to see. A lot of people think it's over. But if it doesn't make all-time highs, we'll see a little bit of pump. I think probably 100,000, 110. But it needs to go make higher highs now for it to be like, okay, this final blow off top where everyone's talking about it. Everyone's like, oh, you got to buy. It's going to go to 1 million. People are buying at 200,000, whatever, thinking it's going to go to 1 million in this run. When you have that euphoria, that's when I believe people are going to sell. It's going to crash. And it's going to be worse than it is now. So, anyways, that's according to like Elliott wave theory. You have to have a blow off top. We haven't had it. And it's so manipulated right now. It is just Wall Street is involved and they're just doing all this kind of stuff. There's so much weird stuff happening behind the scenes. But I do believe we're going to, this is a reversal candle right here we had. We have another reversal candle right here. And now they're going to push the price up. But I'm hoping we're going to see all-time highs like 200, 300,000. That's what I'm hoping. But I don't know. We're running out of time. If it doesn't happen now in December, we were wrong. And that's just the way it is. So anyways, I hope you're doing well. I just do spot. I'm done with the margin trading. I do margin for gold. If you're curious about that, check out my other videos. I do the 1-minute chart. Anyone can learn how to do this, okay? It's fully possible to do it. Check out my Telegram channel where I share all my setups there, okay? All right, take care. Bye.